Hi, what's up guys? Me Abdullah from Himal Learning Studio. Today in this lecture, the main focus of our tutorial is on the design to make abstract curve lines. And we use these curve lines in our brochure. Let's start. We will design like this brochure, the top curve and the bottom you see. Let's start. Take new document, control and we will take the size 8.5 width and 11 height at the 300 pixels. Create. Now go to image and image rotation and 90 clockwise direction. Okay. Press Ctrl 0 to take new layer and the color is black and pen bucket tool and fill it with black color. Now to show the grids, go to view and then show grid. Okay. After showing the grid, now go to ellipse tool and select ellipse and make circle by pressing shift and fill it with any color. Now press alt on this circle and take 2 copies more. Okay. Now take new layer and take pen tool and start our curve design. Place one point here and you can adjust this point from your up down right buttons also if the point is behind or away from the boundary lines. And the other point press here and not leave the mouse click and drag it some left side for proper border alignment. Okay, you can also adjust by your buttons. Okay, now place another point here and adjust it also. Likewise all the points. Okay, here our curve is ready and then give it stroke, not fill it, give it stroke to bright color like this. Okay, now press Ctrl H to view it. Okay, it's done. Now press Shift 1 and copy Ctrl J and place it. Take this copy below. Somewise there was error, so you can see that it's not take the full layer. For this problem, there is a solution. Go to layer and right click, select the shape 1 layer. Right click and press the shape 1 and then press Ctrl J. Here you can see that the whole copy is taken. Likewise, you can press Ctrl J to further copies, 2 more, 5 copies like this and adjust it all. Likewise me. Now here our spiral curve is ready. Now give them gradients. For more attractive, press double click on it, this layer and give gradient. I adjust the gradient, one is yellow and the mid tone is light pink and the right tone is pink. You can adjust it as you want. And the angle I used 25 to 30 here. For this my angle is 17 to 20 is enough. You can adjust it as you want. Give all of them to gradients. Now select all these shape layers and press Ctrl G to group them. If you want to convert them smart object, then also I adjust it because I don't want to change the dimensions of it. Now take the grid. I also provide with you in the description. Now press Ctrl R to on the rulers And from horizontal, take one ruler and place in this line, and take another ruler and place it to the bottom here. I off this grid so that you can properly see. From the vertical side, take the ruler and place it here one. Take another ruler and place the here, and take another and place it here, and the last fourth one here. Okay, now you can hide this layer. Okay, now adjust these properly. This is the benefit, we can design the brochure properly, alignments and okay. Now press Ctrl J and take copy and place one copy here. Okay, now go to edit and transform, flip vertical and horizontal. And also adjust it properly to the alignments. Okay, it's okay. Now take new layer and add text in the main page front. I am using Playfair display font. You can download it from Google. Adjust it properly. Okay, you can also show grid for proper alignments. Now add your logo here. Take your logo and place it here, and also adjust it size. Okay, now add in the mid center icons, call to action button and scanner. Likewise, it take your scanner and place it here. Make them group and adjust it properly, all of them. Now from the third page, we write about us. Also the bottom you font here be. Here I am using Monstrat font. Adjust the size properly. Here our design is completed. If you want to add some more, you can add all circles like this. Take ellipse tool and make circle by pressing shift. Give them colors and take 2 to 3 more copies by pressing alt and place here. Adjust the size and also change the colors by pressing shift so that the dimension does not change. Here our design is completed. Now see this design on the mockup. How does it look? Now see, this file is a mockup file. It's looking very good. In this lecture, the main focus of our is on the abstract curve lines. Hope you understand us. If you have any problem related to this, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.